Hi everyone, I am Sadia Raza, your special educator and trainer. Today we will discuss 7 helpful exercises for Parkinson, tremor and shaking hand. This is to improve your handwriting, flexibility and strength. Let's start. Let's start with the first one. Let's do 15 reps. So, tabletop to claw, tabletop to claw, tabletop to claw. Fingers need to be straight. 3, 4, 5. You can do with both hands. You can see how I am doing. Okay? We will do 15 times. Now, straight fist. This is called a straight fist. Your fingers are coming all the way down like this. Now, straight fist, open all the way up. Again, straight fist, open all the way up. You can do with both hands if you want. Straight fist, open all the way up. The thumb stays still like this. Means the thumb is not participating in this one. You should use a table for support your arm. So for those with Parkinson and tremor, take your time. It is a difficult. Alright, now full fist. Now you are curling the fingers all the way up and you are bringing the thumb into. Curling all the way up. 2, curling all the way up. 3, curling all the way up. 4, we will repeat 15 times like this. Now number 4, you are gonna tap the thumb pad to the finger pad on each side and then reverse it. Okay? So it's really amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when you get tired, you must just want to stop and shake your hand. Now we are going to do wrist flexion. Wrist flexion and wrist extension. Put your hand like this. Fingers are straight on this, isolating the wrist. 10 times. Next one is forearm supination and pronation. We will do like this. We will repeat it 15 times. The final one, number 7, we are gonna go ahead. This one we will do like this. We will repeat it 15 times. Now we will use a rubber band. So now we are going to do this whole program again. But this time we are going to do this with rubber band. So we are going to start at tabletop. We will just do 10 times this time. Tabletop, claw. 1, tabletop, claw. 2, 3, 4. Repeat it 10 times. This time it is a harder. You can hold your wrist like this. Now I am doing the straight fist all way up. Straight fist all way up. Now full fist. Now you are curling. Now we are going to tap thumb pad to finger pads. With rubber band, we will repeat whole program in 10-10 time. I hope you enjoy this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.